What's going on, guys? You know what? I did not even realize that a lot of you guys that are just in the Discord, but in general chat lobby, that you guys didn't even know or could see the other channels that we have and offer in the gold members section. So, I was just under the assumption that the channels were just locked for you guys if you guys are free members. But let me kind of go over what is going on here in the gold members when I talk about gold member access or the gold member channels. So you guys can obviously see the general chat. Not a whole lot of action going on there, just some basic overview and general conversation. But what we have is the main chat room. That's the gold members chat room. That's with our active day traders, our active traders who are trading the markets 3, 4, and 5 days a week. All that conversation as far as plays, as far as technical analysis breakdowns, as far as thought processes, as far as what are people looking at for the day, is going on in the gold members chat room. That's going to be this one here. Then we have the gold members watch list, which I update daily. So at the end of every night after the session, I'm going to kind of go through and look at the best possible stocks. And normally I'm putting in a watch list between 3 and 8 ticker symbols to kind of watch for the next day and giving out those specific levels, whether we want to go long or go short. Gold member swing trades. So this is going to be for swing trading, stocks that, look good or look like they could be setting up for a swing trade. Again, mind you, 2022 has not provided a lot of opportunity to swing trade just due to the fact that the market has been down. And then we have this is a very important channel here, the gold members training. This channel gets updated very, very actively. It's training videos on my strategy, on discipline, on recaps, on back test, on theories and thought processes, and all of that goes on in here. And I upload those videos directly to that channel. And then according to my specific strategy, we have 20 plays for the 5-minute time frame and 20 plays for the 1-hour time frame. If you guys don't kind of know what that is, you would have to have my strategy and understand what strategy we're using to kind of profit. Then we have the off topic channel here for gold members. This is just off topic talk. And then the educational boot camp guys. So there's a few guys in here going through an 8-week boot camp, and this is more in depth and one-on-one. So what's going on in the boot camp is, we're working live together, and a lot of the times, 60, 70, 80% of the times, you guys are actively working a strategy and actively working a trading plan, and I am taking trades with you side by side. So we're getting into the same trades. You're kind of looking, we're identifying the play setup. We're going through the emotions and we're going through the charts in real time. So as we enter into the trade, we are then kind of managing that trade and giving our thoughts. And then I'm kind of watching the technicals to say, hey, you know what? Holding you accountable, saying this trade is over, we need to get out of it, or hey, let's get into this trade, it's potentially going to run, this is what I'm doing, this is what you're doing, and based on technicals, this is what we should be doing. But it's holding you accountable. None of this, well, I bought just because the market's green today. No, we don't do that shit here in the boot camp, and we don't do that if we have a technical strategy. This is obviously the daily gains and loss. The only people who can post in here is the people who are in gold members. So all of the gold members who are actively trading can post their gains if they like. Some people like to post their gains when they have a good day. Other people, like to be a little bit more private. But we've also got some news channels here. The technical analysis breakdown channel. So this is going to include charts with different price, supply and demand levels. We got a learning center. This was recently just switched over just due to the bots. I can't do this with the bots that try to join the room and they start spamming a bunch of nonsense, a bunch of WhatsApp stuff. So, I kind of had to lock this down just to kind of prevent that. Small cap stocks list. And then our futures are in here. If anyone is interested in trading futures, definitely reach out to me. I can help you guys get funded up to $150,000 to trade futures with. And then intraday technicals, guys. So this is going to be more so videos and, specific general technical analysis on specific stocks that anyone is interested in, and I'll kind of put those levels in for you guys. But I'm sorry, I didn't realize that you guys couldn't see all this. I think you guys can see just the general chat, and I think you guys can only see here's where you guys can upgrade to the gold members. And then maybe I know previously you guys could see the news channel and then my trading rules. So you guys probably joined the Discord and you're thinking what's going on here? I don't see anything. That's because everything is going on here in the gold members section. But just kind of wanted to clear that up in case anyone had any questions. Definitely reach out to me, and we can get you guys all set up. Again, the 2 video courses to kind of learn the process and learn the trading strategy is about 4.5 hours long. So you would go through each individual video in a lesson format, completely do it on your own time. However long it takes you, is different for everybody, the learning curve. But once you guys kind of understand, then you guys, you're jumping around freely throughout these channels and kind of taking plays and taking trades with everyone else. So just kind of wanted to clear that up. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys all on the other side. And make sure to subscribe to the YouTube, and I'll see you guys all later.